This is Mikey with
Soccer Star, actually.
On
Jawtica or some crap like that. It's my initials. My first
on
two.
some other kid's account. This is my Fit Eddie 1 2011 bike. So I'll start from the front.
Doing a bike check.
Green ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends.
Very nice, very nice.
Squeeze them. And this Trekco brake lever, but I'm getting the Odyssey mono lever.
Yeah.
White Fit bars 7.75 rise. Brake cable. Primo Annihilator stem.
Nice, very nice.
Very white.
Like you.
My wheel. I have a Fit 2.25 in the front. And a Weenman rim with Fit hub and 36 spokes. Dice valve cap. That one's nice. Albies sticker.
What are your forks?
Fit forks. Maybe getting some new ones. My
headset?
Stock headset.
Fit?
I got a Fit 2011 Eddie 1 frame. I got an Odyssey Pivotal Senior 2 seat with silver Fit post with a Fit seat clamp.
You're kind of whispering right now.
Odyssey twisted PC pedals in green and white. Stock cranks. Fit 25 tooth sprocket. Exposure U-brake. This is very annoying, but it has clear brake pads, so it's good, and it's annoying to fix with all this stuff. In the back I have a 2.3 tire with dice valve cap, 36 spokes, cassette hub, and I'm getting hub guards so I can start grinding. And that is my bike, and we'll start you off on Jake's bike.
I got scales in my mouth. Alright. Oh, hang on, let me swallow. This is my 2011 Mirraco Bronson. Stolen money grips in safety orange or some crap. Stolen vortex bar ends. Odyssey mono lever, small. This, by the way, this is great. Works top notch. You have to pull it like that much and you'll skid. Alright, Jaguar brake cable. Black label bars 8.25 rise. Black label stem. Black label forks. Black label rim. And then Innova street tire. Innova 2 or something. Stock gold hub in the front. And then 2011 Mirraco Bronson frame with a removable brake mount. Odyssey Senior 2 pivotal seat. Stock pivotal seat post. Forgot to clean that. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Stock cranks. A black label chain wheel. KMC chain. The chain that came on my bike didn't have a master link. And then back here we have some brakes or something. And these gummy brake pads. They're super hard. I don't like them very much. And then another Innova street tire. Oh boy. And my ghetto stand. It's a fork. Put on some wood. But stock valve caps. He's got the fancy all dice valve caps. I don't need that crap. It's added weight.
Hey.
Alright. That's it. That's our bike check. Fit Eddie 1. Alright. Fit Eddie 1 2011 Mirraco Bronson. 2011 too. That one. Alright.